Hello, I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to talk about a discussion topic that the community has. There is on Twitter, and Facebook, in all the places. Should you use interfaces when using dependency injection or not? A lot of people actually say that you need to use interfaces in your constructors so people can extend or you can use or you can make your automated test easier, right? And that can be okay in some cases, right? But the thing is that you do not always need to use the interfaces, and actually in some cases you need or are required to avoid using interfaces. This at least in your constructors or when using dependency injection. Why is that? It will actually depend on your solution and the intention of the code you are implementing. As an example, this is part of the code for the pti.microservices.library. The ones who have used this library already know that most of the services that we implement in there force you to use custom HTTP client handler and custom HTTP client. That is because those are some of the control points for us to validate the license for this NuGet package. The NuGet package is actually not free. The NuGet package currently it has public free key for people to use it, but the intention of this package is to be monetized based on a monthly subscription. Some of the controls points are executed on the HTTP request that you do using each of the services. So in order to achieve that, one of the things we had to do is forcing the classes to be sealed so you cannot extend or use it so you cannot extend them, right? As you can see, this custom HTTP client inherits from the HTTP client, but the class is sealed and we are not allowing you to use an interface or implementing an interface in there, so you cannot override the normal behavior, because this is one of the control points, right? So in our case, we purposely designed this seal because of the nature of the code we implemented and the business model we implemented in this NuGet package, right? So this is one of the cases where you must avoid using interfaces in your constructors, right? And force you to use the actual type, right? So basically, if you want to use interfaces or not in your code depends on the actual solution and your actual needs. It's not always true that you need to use them. It's not always true that you need to avoid to use them. There are specific cases where you must use them, and there are specific cases where you must not use them, right? So that's a tip I wanted to let you know about this specific discussion of using interfaces versus not using interfaces, right? By the way, please remember to share the channel, share the videos, invite more people so we get more subscribers and I can keep making more videos for you. Also remember to visit the links that are in the video description. Thank you very much and have a great day.